Hi, Tim here with Clive Coffee. We're going to show you how to clean the hot water solenoid on your Lucca A53 or A53 Mini. Before you get into the machine, we'll have already cooled off your steam boiler, depressurized by opening up the steam wand, and maybe let the machine sit and cool off completely. At this point, we will already have taken off the side panels and the front plate. The tools that we're going to use today, we have an adjustable wrench, we have a 14 millimeter and a 22 millimeter wrench. You'll find your hot water solenoid located here where the hot water tap is. We're going to begin by removing the nut on the outside of the solenoid here using our 14 millimeter wrench. And this box slides off and we can just set it aside. We're going to remove the solenoid from this fitting right here. You're going to use your 22 millimeter wrench here. It is going to be a pretty tight fit on there, and for most folks it's going to require us to actually remove this hot water tap completely to get better leverage. We are going to start here and remove the outside nut. We're going to use our adjustable wrench on the inside here, and this outside one is our 14 millimeter. Once that outside nut is removed, this plastic tubing can be pulled back and detaches from this fitting here. Now, using our adjustable wrench, we'll go ahead and loosen that. And now our entire hot water tap comes off. From here, I have better leverage to get a grip on the hot water tap. And on the other side, this 22 millimeter gives me the easiest way to break that seal. At this point, we have access to the solenoid. We want to check all of the pathways and make sure everything is free and clear of any debris. We want to make sure that this rubber piece here is clean and would be sealing up properly. So you can check inside if there's anything that is blocking any pathways. Just go ahead and clean that out. Once you have checked your solenoid pathways, you can reassemble, and following the same steps in reverse order, put your hot water tap back into place. Keeping your solenoids free and clear of debris is important for the proper function of your hot water tap. Using soft water that has levels below 50 parts per million will protect your machine and ensure that scale buildup does not clog those pathways. You would also want to ensure that you have some basic filtration to make sure particulate is not getting into the machine. For more information on using your Lucca A53 Direct Plumb or A53 Mini, check out the links here. For other tech tips, visit our knowledge base at clivecoffee.com.